Giants in the dugout. Imtiaz Alam is already out there, scored 2 of 3. And who would have thought, chasing just 128? Darbhanga Diamonds are struggling. 14 overs, 65 for 8. Change in commentary now. Siddharth Mishra joins. Let's see if we can add a bit of excitement. Sarfraz continues down the leg. Appeal. Clip the pad. So no chance of a wide.
Well, this is not quite a humdinger, not quite a cliffhanger, but surely it's been entertaining. And entertaining because of the fielding effort of the Angikai Avengers. Who would have thought at the halfway mark at 127 for 8 that they would have the Diamonds tottering at 66 for 8. Just to remind the viewers, they were 40 for 2 at one point in time, surely in the game. But from 40 to 2, they slipped to 45 for 6. So just in a space of 5 runs, they lost a whole lot of wickets, 4 of them. And it's also the selection, Ravi. I mean, Sufyan, for that matter, played that 50, that knock of 50 runs, then that inspired run out, then that fantastic catch, and with him, Niku Singh. They weren't a part of the playing 11 yesterday, so inspired selection by the team management.
Definitely, the team thought that they could do better, and certainly it has proved successful so far. Driven back, will pick up a single, and that will all that they'll get. Now, Imtiaz on strike. 2 more deliveries to come. Number 10. What will he try to do? Never short of excitement in a 20-over contest.
I believe this is over for them. I believe this is a foregone conclusion because it's not that they are 5 down. They're 8 down right now. So obviously, again, he was down the wicket. But that didn't deter the umpire from raising his finger. That's 9 down now. And now the Angikai Avengers just inches away from a win.
Again, dancing down the track, premeditated, hit him on the back leg. The umpire immediately agreed with the appeal from the fielding side. Finger goes up, and it's 9 down now. Imtiaz Alam gone 3 for 5. It's